Good morning, everybody. This is Mike, and I'm just doing a quick video for the reason why I'm doing this video is for you to understand a couple of things, why I go online, why I go off online, etc., etc. The reason why I do live trading once in a while is to help you understand where my state of mind is and how to trade. I try to trade consistently and see exactly what I look for. And when I go offline sometimes, it's because when I find it too volatile, I'm afraid I know I have traders out there that try to copycat trade me. And because of the volatility, I don't want them to blow up their accounts because I'm trying to teach people how to become a consistent trader, and I'll switch from ES to NQ. And the other reason why I do that as well is because it is free education that I'm trying to give you guys, is I still have to trade myself. And to trade and educate at the same time is very difficult. It's easier to just focus on your trading the way you go. But the last reason why I'm doing this video for this morning is I want you to show the reflection of why I create these indicators, and I keep on building them slowly because I keep on testing, guys. You won't believe how much I keep on testing. I might be done trading for the day and people email me about different ideas, and then I go back and I go through my indicators to see, are they still performing the way they should be. So I want to show you something. Past 2 weeks on the NASDAQ, and I always do a top down, okay? And what I want to show you on the top-down approach, just give me a second here. I got to get rid of this. I don't like these. I hate these grid lines. On the top-down approach, from the swing scanner, 2 weeks ago, hopefully this is the indicator. No, it's not. 2 weeks ago, when I said the buy phase kicked in, and we were actually fought through the whole time. Let's go all the way back when the buy phase actually kicked in here. Let's keep on going here. Let me find it. I'm on a 1 minute chart. Let me go to a 5 minute chart. It'll be easier to find. That's what I need. The buy phase kicked in right here on February 20th. As you can see, the first day it went like crazy, and that was great, and then we inverted, okay? Even though it inverted, it's amazing how it comes back to the price level of that phase. And see how it vibrated right here, okay? Vibrated again, right at that phase level. Broke down, vibrated at the phase level. Base kicked off where the vibration level was, took off. That's the first thing I want to show you on the top-down approach. But now, because it's all said and done, even I only have on this one, there's actually a couple indicators you haven't seen, but we'll get into it. But see, I'm just showing you a day trend, the IB, and I called one a triggerfish because I ran out of names. I'm just running, what should I call it? It was an algorithm I wrote up and I'm testing, and it works really well for top of the hour. But if you're just trading the day trend for this phase, look where it hit perfectly on the sell phase. How many times in the past 2 weeks? Point A to the breakdown. 664 points. I know it's a few days, but I digress. I just want to show you. This one literally hit the orange line, came back here. But we have our targets. Let's see what happens. How many, actually, instead of doing the dollar value, what I want to show you, look where it hit. Look where it hit. This one opportunity here, came back. I usually, once I do the one opportunity, I'm done. And then watch this one. This would have been our second opportunity up here. If we can see it breaking down, away we go again. Did this one work? let me see here. That one failed. Second opportunity. Third opportunity, there was no trade. We were watching for it. Yeah, it broke all the way down. This one broke all the way. Actually, the first opportunity was right there, then broke down. Let's keep on going. Nothing on that one. We missed it. This one would have been possibly an opportunity right there. Next one. This would have been ugly, but let's, yeah, it would have been ugly. When you see a lot of vibration, I always go for the bottom one. So maybe one opportunity there. I might have missed this one. Let's keep on going. But you can see where it hit. Just being patient. This one, right here. And we're done. Did we go all the way back? Let's go all the way back. And maybe I didn't get them all. Right here. One here. I missed that one. And this one almost. So you have to go green. So if you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's a painful one, 8, 9, 10 trade opportunities, 11 trade opportunities in the on that phase. And it's amazing how, I know I have all these other indicators, but what I'm saying is if you're trying to keep it simple, I know there's certain times that you're not going to be trading at. If you're only a day trader, we have to find out what the timestamp is. So this is a midnight trade. This is an 8 o'clock at night trade, 2 in the afternoon trade. So we'll have to find out the ones that are actually working for us. Unless I wonder if I should put an email on it. 9 a.m. trades. This is our trade here. This would be in our first trade. Yeah, that's evening trade. So they do work. But what I'm trying to show you is the time of energy that I try to spend for you guys in order to pinpoint trades. Because people work, trade all around the world. And as you can see, the vibrations, the harmonics are there. Now, the other thing I want to show you is, last and not least, what I'm trying to do for day trading during, as a day trader for the day, I finally finished the interbands and have been testing it with a triggerfish and how it works, I call it. And I'll use an example during the day here for you guys. When I look at top of the hour, okay, just on the triggerfish line, and also I'll look at the interbands. But let's say on the triggerfish line, I will look as soon as it crosses over. I'll put a limit order as soon as it changes. And I'll try to go for the run. But I only do it at like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and then in the interim I might do 10:30, 11:30. It all depends. But basically, it's usually top of the hour. And what I have on the interband, as you can see, this is turning red now. What's the time on this one? 8:45, 9 o'clock. See how this red bar activated? Just turned red here? What I would have done is I would have put a sell limit order here. And I would have been in my trade right now. So far right now, you're 6.5 points out. And we work back and forth. And that's all I wanted to show you. I will eventually be coming back, going live soon. I'm just, we're just wrapping up the phase, right? The buy phase right away. And we'll have to see what the reaction on the sell phase. And I have to see if the sell phase is going to fail like the buy phase. And the reason why I'm saying that is they just dumped a $2 trillion package. And we'll have to see how this money is massaging through the markets. Then we'll know and see if the harmonics get back to normal. Other than that, I'm going to sign off. And remember, if you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask me anytime. I'm by my computer, and I constantly look at different trading strategies. And I do get emails. People ask me questions all the time. So other than that, you guys pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care.